Hi, I'm Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby, and today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service, and you can get fixes delivered periodically, or you can schedule them whenever you want. I have a style pass, so I think it was $55 or $60, and I get unlimited fixes. Otherwise, they're $20. But in your box, you get your poly mailer to return anything that you don't want, and then your bundle. There's also documentation with prices and that kind of stuff. Hold on one second. There we go. So I am still congested. I'm getting over the flu. This one was a doozy. Oh, we got purples and pinks and a jeans in here. Let's see. Here is the little note. Welcome back for another fun fix. I'm delighted to see that you found several styles to try from the fix preview. The dark wash wide leg jeans from Just USA are sure to be a new favorite. They are a brand new arrival in our collection and a great option for spring. Wear them with the cozy dark green cardigan from Threads for Thought, which will look great layered over the dark pink cami top from 9 Britain for a fun pop of color. Add a pair of flats and some hoop earrings to complete this style. The fabulous dress from Fortune and Ivy and Daniel Rain will have you looking stunning in this season, whether you're headed to work or to a special event. I hope these pieces bring you joy. Be sure to let me know if you have any special requests for your next fix. Jana was the one that styled it. So let's see how Jana did. So this is the cardigan that Jana was talking about. It's zipper. It's a zipper pull. It is like a really knitted kind of, I know you can't see it in here, but it's a relatively loose knit, but it's thick. That's interesting. It's got a split on the side. No pockets. That might be a deal breaker. I love pockets in my cardigans. Pretty straightforward and simple. I do have a green that is this color that I wear all the time, so not sure if I need a second green one, but if it works, I might look to see if they have something in a different color. Oh, this is an actual cami. This is 9 Britain Bahari lace detailed cami knit top in dark pink. It's a crossback cami. It's got lace. The color is pretty. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really do my arms out and exposed in the air. This is Fortune and Ivy. Oh, this is the Geneva pleated mixed media dress in blue. Oh, I think I might have tried, did I try this on like a long time ago? Maybe. So this looks like one of those purpley kinds of blues. It looks like it's about knee, maybe midi length. It's not pleated. It's just sort of sewn, ribbed, and shorter ribs at the top. It's got a sort of high neck and a short sleeve with cuff, with a cuff. There we go. Pretty color. We're gonna have to see on that one. This is pretty. This is the Daniel Rain Euphemia dress in dark purple. So it's got gold thread through it. It's got a keyhole, long sleeves. Oh, maybe they're 3/4. They're elastic at the bottom. It's got elastic in the middle. And then maybe maxi length. It does look like it has a lining in here somewhere. It does. It has a purple lining. That's very pretty. I am excited to try that one on. See how that one looks. And then last three are the jeans. These are Just USA Hunter Wide Leg Jean in indigo, no distressing. I asked for wide leg because when I did the jean try on a month or so ago, the wide leg jeans that I tried on people were like, oh, those were nice. And I did not expect that, actually. Sorry for the paper wrestling. So wide leg, dark wash. Let's see the stretch. Oh, nice and stretchy. Pockets in the front, pockets in the back. Hey, all right, this looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on now. Because I have had the flu, my bedroom is not tip-top shape. Please don't judge. It's not horrible, but it's not great. So just be prepared. Let's do the jeans, the tank, and the cardigan. Knock three out. Okay. All right, so here is outfit one. So, I like the idea of this outfit. Let's start top to bottom. This is good. It is fuzzy and cozy. This cardigan, it zips. So it's sort of like a jacket rather than a cardigan. It's slit on the side, so ease of movement. There's nothing restrictive. It does have the hood on it, and it's not the overwhelming hood, but there's no pockets in it. And I have a green thinner one. As a matter of fact, it's right here. So very similar in color. So I don't know if I need another green cardigan. Excuse me. The tank is long. This is a long tank, see? I'm not that comfortable. It is very low. I don't usually wear things that are this low. But it is pretty. This lace is very pretty. It's straight across. It has the straps that cross in the back. Let me show you. So, very pretty lace. It comes up relatively high underneath the armpits. You don't have to worry about that, your bra hanging out or anything. I don't know if I would put these two colors together naturally. And I'm not sure about the tank. I love the color though, so that's good. But I would fold it. I don't know. But here are the jeans. They're super stretchy. They are wide leg. They are ankle. There is a bit of a gap. Not too bad. Nothing that a belt wouldn't fix. Here's the back. I'm just wondering if they are a little too short. I don't think they're necessarily supposed to be high rise, but that's how I like them. And I think if I let them sink down, then maybe the length will be right, but I think they might be a little too short, right? They're not quite crops. Great. I mean, this material is fantastic. There is so much stretch and room in here. I do not feel restricted at all, even in the thighs and the knees. Like, I just think maybe if I would do something like this, I would get a longer inseam and then have it hemmed. But I love the plain, like the no distressing. I just think if I wanted to wear this with tennis shoes, it would look weird. What do you think? Yeah. This material is fantastic. All right. Let me try on the blue purpley dress and we'll see if that one works. I'm not sure about the arm in that one, but I'm going to give it a try. Ignore my socks. My feet are cold. This, I don't have any idea if I like this or not. Honestly, I cannot tell. It's loose. Is it weird here? Like, I don't know. It is comfortable, even with this higher neckline, which makes me, I won't go any higher than this. And this probably, honestly, after a while will drive me crazy. I don't like things tight around my neck. I don't do turtlenecks. I don't do any of this. So this is like kind of high for me, but the sleeves are not tight at all. It's a below the knee length. I don't know if this is midi or not. Here's the back. Yeah, there's plenty of room. Let me show you. It has the ribbing here and then like fake kind of ribbing here. I'm wondering if maybe with a belt, this might work a little bit better. There's no random belt laying around. Nope, I don't have a random belt. Sorry. And even if I did, it would not be the kind. Hi, Melly girl. How are you, buddy? It would not be the kind that would work with this dress. But I'm wondering if maybe a thicker belt, that might be the key. Oh. Yep, I don't know. I don't know about the neck now. I like the color. It's very springy. It is definitely light enough to wear in the summer as well. I don't feel like it sticks on my shelf booty too much. Is it a weird length though? I know I am pale, or then pale, then pale. What do you think about this one? Bye, Mills. I don't know what to think about this. Let me try the other purple one on and then we'll do a comparison, because this is sort of like blue purple. The other one's a darker purple. Let's see. I think I love this. Even with the elastic, that's not quite full length. I mean, it's a little snug. That's neither here nor there. I love the concept of this. I like these ties that you can tie them. I think the material is very pretty with the gold, and I usually wear silver jewelry, so I'm surprised I like it. It's down, but I don't feel like I will trip over it. Here's the back. It does have a little bit of the elastic here. Oh, look. Just look how pretty this is. With that gold through it, and then the trim. The material's not like super comfortable, but I could definitely overlook that because I like the style so much. And I'm wondering if I can just like figure out a way to snip the elastic in here so it just sort of hangs a little bit straighter rather than gathers. Oh, I don't know. What do you think about this one? Daniel Rain is the company, and the products for Daniel Rain tend to be a little bit pricier, but boy, this is pretty. The lining, it's so well made, right? Lining all the way up through. Oh, I like this one. This one might be, depending on how expensive it is, choice. So let me put I'm actually going to get into my comfortable clothes. I taught all day today. It's my first day back after being out for a couple of days with not feeling well. So I'm just going to get myself comfortable. And then I'm going to check the prices and go from there. All right, so here's the moment of truth. Up first, this is the Daniel Rain Euphemia dress in dark purple and a 1X. It's $88, which is pricey, but I knew it was going to be pricey because it is Daniel Rain, and it is great quality. The question is that an $88 dress? I don't know. This is the Fortune & Ivy Geneva pleated mixed media dress in blue in a 1X. It's $69. Okay, I mean, it's pretty. It's very springy. What do you think about this one? And if I had to choose between one of the two dresses, which one should I choose? Excuse me. Then I have the 9 Britain Bahari Lace Detail Cami Knit Top in dark pink and a 1X. It's $39. It is pretty. I do not feel that I would get enough wear out of this. To make it worth the investment. If you like a good cami, this is very pretty with the lace and the color. It's lovely. I just don't think that that's for me. And then we have the Threads for Thought Anita Boucle Zip Up Cardigan in dark green. It's $69. And like I said, I have one that's almost this exact color. So I don't think this is for me. If you're looking for a green cardigan, it's more of like a hoodie though. I call it a zippy. It literally has a zipper in it. And last but not least are these lovely stretch jeans. These are Just USA Hunter wide leg jean in indigo and a 16W. These are $69, which is not too bad for jeans, considering some of them are, you know, $100. They're super stretchy. The material is nice and soft. It's not stiff like some jean material is. I wish it was a little shorter, or that the rise was a little taller and there wasn't such a big gap in the butt. Can't help it. The shelf butt is shelving. All right, so what do you think here? If I bought everything full price, it would be $334. If you buy 5, you get a 25% discount. That would be $83.50. The order subtotal will be $250.50. And I paid $49 for my year style pass, so I have a $49 credit. So if I applied that and got free shipping, it's $201.50. Now there would be tax added to that, so another $20 or so. So like $220 for 5 items, which is actually pretty darn good. Or do I apply that $49 to just getting the Daniel Rain dress? So instead of $88, it would be $39. I don't know. I can't do that math. $50 off, 38. It'd be $39. Got it. Plus tax. I mean, that's pretty darn good for that dress. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know what you think. Are wide legs good for me? Should I start looking more at wide leg jeans and trying a bunch of different brands of wide leg to see what I like the best? Or was there something in another box that was a better style for me? I'm trying to find some jeans that aren't ripped up. Most of my jeans now just have like rips and stuff in it. Some strategic, some not. Anyway, I hope you are all safe, and I hope that you are healthy and that you are doing well. And I should be back. Actually, I think I have another jeans edit coming soon. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.